Peggy Knight here with today's tip of the day, how to care for your wig. Well, we've discussed in the past how to wash it, what products to use. Now I want to talk a little bit about what exactly do you wash. So yeah, like normal head of hair, you're going to wash the hair and you're going to make it look shiny. But what about the underside where the perspiration from your body is absorbed into the cap? That gets dirty too. Now you can't see it. The hair will still be beautiful and moving, but if it's kept in the cap, the perspiration can start to maybe even smell. So you want to take your wig, the first thing you do, take it off your head, flip it inside out. And then you're going to take some shampoo and you're going to wash the inside with your hand. So put the shampoo in your hand. You're going to wash the whole inside. You want to get that netting or cap nice and clean. Then rinse it out. Rinse it out thoroughly. You want to get rid of all the shampoo. And while you're rinsing it, you're also getting rid of all of that perspiration that has built up. So now you're going to flip it back out again. You're either going to put it on your head and jump in the shower, or you're going to put it on your mannequin head, and then you're going to proceed with the wash of the outside, because we want it outside clean, but we also want it inside clean. If you have any questions, we do have videos showing the exact procedure, how to go about washing your hair. Please get back to me, Peggy at peggyknight.com, and just say I want a video on how to wash my hair. Thank you and have a great day.